This video I will show you how to draw the projection of plane in orthographic pattern by using AutoCAD software. Here I consider two problems to explain the concept. First problem, a regular pentagon ABCDE of side 25 mm has its side BC on the floor. Its plane is perpendicular to floor and inclined at 45 degree to the wall. So here as a reference plane, floor as nothing but a horizontal plane, wall as a vertical plane. So the intersection of the two planes making the line as a XY line. So draw a XY horizontal line as a convenient length. Then as per the condition, its plane is perpendicular to floor and inclined to the wall. So first I consider as a simple position, perpendicular to the floor and parallel to the wall. When it's parallel to the wall, I can get the base of regular pentagon on the vertical plane when I am looking the front view. So where we are getting the base, you can start the diagram. So base I am getting the front view in first angle projection method. So go to the polygon, draw a pentagon, 5 side. So the edge length is specified in problem. So choose edge side. So it's given 25 mm center. So and 25 mm has its side BC on floor. So assume this is as a 25. So A, B, C, D, E on the floor. So move the object to on the floor. To differentiate, you can have to use a different color. So here I have to differentiate, I am going to use a green color. Then when I am looking the top view, so when I am looking the top view, so I am getting the projection of top view as a single line, okay, by seeing these two sides. So from the all edges you can draw the vertical line in downward direction. Some convenient length. So when look at top view, we are getting as a straight line, okay, by seeing the faces. Okay, this is the top view. So to mention the top view also, so here I am. So top view, I am getting on a straight line, and on base I am obtaining only as a front view. In simple position, a pentagon assumed to be placed perpendicular to floor and parallel to the wall. I am getting the projection of front view and top view like that. So here the condition, so perpendicular to floor and inclined at 45 degree to the wall. 45 degree to the wall. So the same length of the line. Okay. So I am going to same length of the line. So copy the line, Control C, Control V. So place it over here. Then the inclination is given 45 degree. So right click and rotate, or you can use the rotate option over here and select any either first end or the center. That is don't bother it. So I am going to rotate this one in 45 degree. So when I am rotating 45 degree, now when I am looking the object, I am getting the shortest view of pentagon plane. So from the all edges you can draw vertical line downward direction. So the square highlight shows that as a end point of the line. Then here, so assume as this is a B, C, D, E. Similarly here this is a dash actually. In front view A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. So here A, B, C, sorry, this is C, D and E. So see the intersection point. So assume this is a as a vertical line. So we can draw one horizontal line from point A. So this A and A intersection, the pair numbers intersection, so that is a one edges. Similarly, we need to find all edges. This is a B, so the B intersection over here. Then C, this is a C, so then C intersection over here is a D. Okay, then this is a D intersection. Then this one is a E, the final edge. So the E will come at the center line. So that intersection line we need to make it. So by using line or polyline, so we can draw the see, now we can get the inclination of 45 degree. See the inclination, angular one. So here with inclination of 45 degree. And the side length of, which is having the side length, so the 25 degree. So similarly, one more problem, the second problem, a regular hexagon, so 6 side, so go to the polygon of base at 60 mm, has side DE on wall, it's placed parallel to the floor. So when it parallel to the floor, so when looking the front view, we won't get the base, only we are getting only top view. So here draw a line, sorry, first you can draw XY line. Regular hexagon, it's a plane parallel to the floor. When it's parallel to the floor, so when you look at the front view, we'll get only one edge. So when I'm looking the top view, I will get the exact regular hexagon of 6 sides, 6 corners. So go to the polygon, so it's having 6 sides, press 6 enter, then edge length only given, specify over below the XY line, because the top view only we are obtaining the base, which is having 20 mm, press enter, we got it. So in front view we are obtaining only line. So suppose this is our front view, means we are getting only 2 sides. Okay. So from the all corners, similarly, to differentiate you can use color over here. So from all the corners you can draw the vertical line. So here both the end is coming the same line. Okay, similarly this end will come straight line. So when you're looking the front view, so we are getting by seeing this 2 edges in this orientation. This is a regular hexagon top view, this is a front view. That's it. And naming, so to all the edges, so use it yourself either by using lettering or numbering, okay, or by using letters or numbers. Thank you.